There are actually quite a few myths that seem to surround rhubarb for some odd reason. Rhubarb is a plant that's been pretty historically popular, maybe less so now, but in the past, rhubarb's been a very popular plant in Europe and North America. But it seems to come with some funny little myths associated with it. We've got a list of them in the article, but a couple just to touch on now for fun are things like saying you can't harvest rhubarb after you've had a spring frost, that it somehow makes the stalks suck the oxalic acid, which is toxic, from the leaves down into the stalks. And that's just not true. If you read university resources, they'll all tell you if your stalks are in good condition, if your leaves are green and not blackened and shriveled and dead, your stalks are healthy to eat. Basically, anything that really would be harmful is also going to harm the stalk of the plant to a degree that it wouldn't be edible or good quality anyway. So that, along with a few other things like saying you can't eat them once the flower stalks have grown, again, not true. Do you want to get rid of the flower stalks? Yeah, you do, because they're sucking energy from your plant. But other than that, there's no reason not to keep harvesting and enjoying your rhubarb. You can get a solid 8 to 10 weeks of harvest, and then after that, straight through to the fall, you can take some smaller harvests. But at that point, the reason not to be taking too much isn't for any of these other reasons that you might read about. It's strictly so that the plant can maintain itself and be strong.